In a surprising turn for the new year, the Palestinian resistance movement continues to demonstrate its resilience and activity, maintaining control of Gaza despite claims from the occupying authority of their defeat. The persisting rocket attacks in occupied Palestine highlight the futility of a purely military resolution to the crisis. The path to peace and progress in Palestine lies in diplomatic efforts. Despite challenges posed by YouTube regulators, the OMT News team remains steadfast in delivering accurate information. Your support in advocating for honest reporting by sharing and subscribing would greatly contribute to raising awareness about the ongoing situation in Palestine. Today's noteworthy development is the reported attempt by Palestinians to intercept an occupying force helicopter in the skies above the Gaza Strip. The capability to engage or target a helicopter challenges perception of a supposedly defeated Palestinian force, suggesting continued activity within the Strip. Throughout the ongoing crisis, the occupying forces have consistently employed various helicopters within the Gaza region for their combat operations. These helicopters, part of the Occupation Air Force, IAF, encompass a range of models serving distinct purposes. Among them, the Boeing AH-64 Apache stands out for its adaptable nature, known for its efficacy in providing close air support and engaging in anti-tank warfare. Additionally, the Bell AH-1 Cobra is recognized for its combat prowess within such operations. Moreover, the Sikorsky UH-60 Black Hawk has been a regular sight, primarily tasked with troop transportation, utility missions, and aiding in search and rescue efforts. Another notable helicopter utilized by the occupying forces is the Boeing CH-47 Chinook, functioning as a heavy-lift transport helicopter pivotal for troop movement, logistical support, and the transportation of heavy equipment. In the mix of helicopters used, the Airbus H-125M occasionally plays a role, often identified in roles of light attack, reconnaissance, and utility within the operational framework. The most recent reports indicate an alleged attempt by the resistance to engage or target one of these helicopters within the Gaza region. According to the spokesperson for Gaza's resistance, Abu Obaida, Palestinians have continued their resistance against the occupation, altering the crisis dynamics and challenging the perceived strength of the heavily armed occupation military equipped with Western weapons. The military wing of the Palestinian resistance movement reportedly initiated another series of strikes against the occupied territories, specifically targeting Tel Aviv and its surrounding areas. This action was described as retaliation for what they referred to as the occupation regime's severe acts against the besieged Gaza Strip. Allegedly, the Palestinians launched missile attacks on Tel Aviv and its suburbs, citing the need to respond to what they deemed as Zionist injustice against civilians. Palestinian media sources claimed that the missile strike, occurring on the 94th day of occupation's ongoing aggression towards Gaza, triggered sirens in Tel Aviv and approximately 30 southern cities and towns.
الموت لأمريكا.
Similarly, on the first day of the new year, the Palestinian resistance reportedly executed an attack on Tel Aviv and its suburbs. This assault purportedly resulted in the destruction of numerous occupation military vehicles and casualties among the regime's forces, reportedly numbering over a dozen. Occupation media has admitted that 9 officers and soldiers from the Zionist enemy army were neutralized, and others were injured in 2 separate attacks in the Gaza Strip in the past 24 hours. The media described Palestinian operation as the hardest day for the occupation army since the beginning of the aggression on the Gaza Strip. The same sources said the first operation hit occupation ammunition depot, neutralizing and wounding soldiers, while the second operation hit a building containing soldiers in the south of the Gaza Strip. The occupation announced that 519 officers and soldiers have been neutralized since the start of Operation Al-Aqsa flood operation, including about 189 lost since the start of the ground aggression on Gaza. It's crucial to raise awareness and promote informed discussions on this matter. Consider sharing this information and subscribing to stay updated on developments from Palestine. Until the next update, hoping for peace and stability in the region.